Beaches. Where land meets possibility. Beaches are one of the world's simplest landscapes: sand, water, sky. Yet they hold an uncanny ability to reset the human mind. They're places where the edges of things become visible. The edge of the continent, the edge of a day, the edge of a thought you didn't know you were carrying. A landscape in motion. Unlike mountains or forests, beaches never stay still. Every tide redraws the shoreline, smoothing footprints, shifting sandbars, and reshaping the boundary between land and sea. This constant motion gives beaches a sense of renewal. Even if you visit the same stretch of coast every day, it's never quite the same place twice. The rhythm of waves adds to this feeling. Their repetition is steady but never identical. Like breathing, like thinking, like the quiet pulse of time. A stage for human rituals. People go to beaches for reasons that are both practical and deeply symbolic. Some arrive seeking rest, letting the sun warm their skin and the sound of the surf soften their thoughts. Others come for play. Volleyball, swimming, surfing, long walks with no destination. Beaches also host moments of transition. Proposals, farewells, family reunions, solitary reflections. There's something about the open horizon that invites honesty. With nothing blocking the view, people often find it easier to look inward. A meeting place of elements. Beaches are one of the few places where earth, water, air, and light interact so visibly. Sand warms under the sun. Salt water cools the skin. Wind shapes dunes and carries the scent of the ocean. Light dances on the surface of the waves, turning the sea into a shifting mosaic. This elemental interplay creates a sensory experience that's both grounding and expansive. It's no wonder people describe beaches as calming. They're environments where the world feels both vast and approachable. A reminder of scale. Standing at the shoreline, watching waves that have traveled thousands of miles, it's hard not to feel a sense of perspective. Beaches remind us that the world is larger than our routines, yet still accessible. They offer a kind of humility that doesn't diminish us but instead reconnects us to something bigger. More than a destination. A beach is never just a place to visit. It's a threshold, a space where people pause, breathe, and recalibrate. Whether quiet or crowded, wild or manicured, tropical or windswept, beaches invite us to slow down and pay attention. They're simple places, but they open the door to complex feelings. Nostalgia, wonder, clarity, possibility. And sometimes, that's what we need.